Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Office app you need and signing in so your settings sync. This saves time later. Once done, create a logical folder structure and name files with dates and brief descriptions so you can find versions quickly. Make sure to enable OneDrive for real-time backup and autosave. This prevents lost work. These steps are practical prerequisites and the first actionable moves that let you work consistently across devices and recover files if something goes wrong. You now construct your content using the right tools. Pick a template, set styles, and structure headings so navigation and formatting stay consistent. In Excel, use formulas, tables, and data validation to reduce errors. Name ranges for clarity. In PowerPoint, set a slide master and theme to make edits global and save time. Once you establish these patterns, updates become fast and reliable. So rely on built-in features rather than manual tweaks to maintain accuracy and consistency. You finish by reviewing with track changes and comments, and then use version history to confirm the final state. This preserves edits and accountability. Once done, share a OneDrive link with precise permissions, choose View or Edit, and set expiration if needed. Export a PDF for distribution and run compatibility checks for older Office versions. If something breaks, restore a previous version from OneDrive. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues and lets you recover without redoing work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.